Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Free Classes for All, and this is the information brochure of 2021. IIT Bombay has been released on August 7th, so I'm explaining in detail about this GATE 2021. Okay, please don't skip this video and watch full length video. Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Free Classes for All. In this video I am going to explain in detail about information brochure of IIT Bombay. Today IIT Bombay has released information brochure of GATE exam. You are all known that GATE 2021 has been conducted by the IIT Bombay. Okay, here you can see in detail about the GATE 2021 exam has been explained in this video, so please don't skip this video, try to watch this full video. Okay, coming to this, 2021 has been organized by IIT Bombay. They have been released brochure of GATE 2021. This is the brochure PDF. If you want this brochure free PDF, I will provide in description box. Otherwise please comment me in the comment box about this. I'll try to upload it. Okay, here you can see the abbreviations they have been given for BA, BR, BCom, BE, BTech, BSc. They are given so many here. About shortcuts they have given, like for the GATE, the full form will be the Graduate Aptitude in Engineering. Like that they have given some abbreviations. Here you can see information brochure means IP, identity document means ID, IISc means Indian Institute of Science, IIT means Indian Institute of Technology, MCQ means multiple choice questions, because in this brochure these are short forms they have been using. By these short forms we need to understand that this is the abbreviation of this short form. So before going to read this full brochure you need to learn this shortcuts. So here are all the abbreviations for each and shortcuts, like MCQs and NAT. Like that the GATE exam paper should be in MCQs and NAT type, multiple choice questions and numerical answer type questions. So here you can see PSUs, many PSUs means shortcut will be PSU, full form will be public sector undertaking. Like that they have given so many abbreviations here you can see. And highlights of GATE 2021 is fully computer based test, and this year means 2021 has been conducting. Previous years it was conducting around Saturday and Sunday, but there are so many changes has been occurred. What is mean 5th, 6th and 7th, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there are 3 days they have been conducting the exam. And this year there are 27 papers. From past years they have been changed many a lot. If you want to know about that, please comment me in the comment box. I'll try to make a video. Okay, this test will be CBT test, which is fully computer based test, and there are 2 new subject has been added: environmental science and engineering, and next is humanities and social sciences in economics, English or something. Here you can see total number of subjects papers will be 27. From past years 2 papers has been increased, means 2 papers has been newly added. And here you can see syllabus for all subjects has been revised for GATE 2021. If you want to know about the subject papers, or if you want to know about the in detail syllabus copies, I'll definitely uploading my next videos. But previously I have been uploaded one syllabus copy for civil engineering students. Okay, here you can see GATE 2021 exam pattern will be like MCQs and NAT questions, which have been discussed earlier. And next, coming to eligibility criteria, this year one good news for all the students who are currently in the 3rd year or for 2nd years, because 3rd year students are eligible for the GATE exam. Because from previous years only 4th year candidates will be eligible for the GATE exam. But a good news for you all, 3rd year students also are also eligible. So please, if anybody are in 1st and 2nd years, please try to practice more and try to prepare for the GATE exam, which is in 3rd year itself. So who are in currently 3rd year, please try to attend this GATE exam. You will know the exam pattern and question level, asking the level of the questions. Okay, here you can see applications will be accepted only through online for the GATE 2021 exam. And GATE 2021 scorecard, not only GATE 2021 and 2020, any GATE exam scorecard will be valid for 3 years, which all the known. Depending upon the COVID-19 situation, examinations may be somewhat, there will be change. Then they will due to COVID-19 related international travel restrictions, examinations at the international centers may be dropped if situation is not conducive by the end of the November 2020. Based upon the situations, they will release the examination dates for the COVID-19. if you want to know in detail about this GATE 21 exam, GATE 2021 exam, please visit the website of gate.iitb.ac.in. If you want this link, I'll provide in the description box. If you want, you can use that link. And here you can see the organizing institute was IIT Bombay, and the type of questions and level of questions I will definitely upload in the next video, and I will explain each and every topic. Mainly for civil engineering students, I will definitely upload for that. And particulars and examination details will be, the exam should be in CBT, which is computer based test, and duration was 3 hours. This year there are 27 papers from past years. Compared to past years, 2 papers has been added, and there will be 2 sections, which is aptitude section and general core subjects based upon the branch or based upon your current area. And type of questions will be MCQs and NETs and multiple select questions. Like NET and MCQ, these are the 2 type of questions. Maximum there will be approximately 70 to 80% core subjects will be around NET questions, because based upon the accuracy, it is one of the toughest exam, all will say. But based upon the preparations and based upon, if you practice more, then it will be easy for you. Why this is tough? Because NET questions has been asked more compared to multiple choice questions, because if they will give 2 marks and 1 mark questions. Mainly 2 marks questions will be around like NET questions. They will give some accuracy limit for you. If you will get value in that limit, then your value will be correct and you will get marks. Otherwise, 0.1 accuracy also they will be considered. So because while you are preparing, please prepare with perfect. Definitely I'll upload in next videos like some of the questions for you. Of general aptitude, there will be 10 questions they have been given. This is the question patterns, and this is the number of questions they have been answered. There will be no change in that. And subject related to the subject, which is core, which is related to your branch, which is around 55 questions, and there are total questions will be 65 questions. And distribution of marks in all papers, like except papers of around these, like for civil, electronics, like computer science, engineering, IT, information technology, and for mechanical, like to be around all these. Compared remaining branches also, mainly these branches, there will be no change, because there will be no change in the asking of questions. Like general aptitude, it is around 15 plus marks. There will be given 10 questions, it will be around 15 plus marks questions. And subject questions will be around, out of 100 marks, there will be 72 marks is for your core branch. If you are thinking just you need to qualify, then you just prepare your core subjects. That will be enough for you. Other than that, you don't need anything. Like there will be asking of questions will be different for the distribution of remaining, like aeronautical engineering, and for these questions there will be core subjects will be around 85 marks, which is best marks. So if you are related to these, you can see here. I will definitely try to give the links or PDFs in description box. Please, marking scheme will be around, I already said to you, 1 and 2 marks questions will be they have been. They have also given the detailed marking scheme of each and every branch related to each and every section. Like for core, how many marks they, for respective branch, how many marks they will get. For this section related to that branch, how many marks that will get. Like for CE or for remaining ECE, for triple, and remaining branches like GA will be around 15 marks, subject marks will be around like 72, like that they have been already given for you. So if you want to know in detail about this, I will upload the screenshots for you, you can see. Otherwise I will upload the PDF format, definitely you can see here. And the contents, this is the around this will be around large, so I can't explain all, but I will explain main points for you. That will be enough for you. If you don't want to read all things, I'll just explain the main points for you. That's enough for you want to know. Okay, based upon the COVID situation, they will release the application process dates and examination dates, because they didn't say that it will be confirmed, but the exam will be confirmed. So prepare now itself, because around from now there will be around 6+ months, so it will be enough for you. GATE 2020 application fee. If you want to know about the application fees and what are the documents you need to upload while application process, like pattern of questions, marks distributions, like they have been given mark schemes, post examination related, means after the GATE score, there are so many, some people have many doubts. So in this information browser, they have been cleared your all doubts. Like if you have any doubts, because based upon all the mindsets of the people, the general questions or general doubts of the people has been clarified in this. Like you can see frequently asked questions like that. So many are there guidelines for conducting exam. You can see here, based upon all the introduction, for generally there will be 7 IITs which will conduct every by year like that. So this is the turn of IIT Bombay. Generally all the people knows about that. I don't need to explain many more about that. If you are new to this, I will definitely, if you are new, if you want to know in detail about the GATE examination, definitely I'll try to upload a video. But before that, you need to comment in the comment section, because you generally knows one day is extended like 3 days. In week there will be 3 days of examinations. Like in past years there will be only 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, but from 2021 there will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 27 papers. These are the main two things changed. And the third thing was third year students also eligible. These are the main 3 things has been changed. Please keep in mind the 3 points. Okay, I will once again explain that. First is 27 papers has been introduced, before the 25 papers. And second thing was Saturday and Sunday has been conducted examinations, but now onwards, means 2021 onwards, there will be Friday has been included. And then next one was third year students are also eligible. Like these are the 3 main things you need to keep in mind. Okay, I'm thinking I am talking a lot for you, but I have given enough information for you, or I think it will be enough for you. But the application fees was around, generally from last year there will be 700 for SC/ST candidates, and for OBC women candidates, if other than male candidates, for OC and OBC candidates there will be around 1500 for the last year. And this scorecard will be valid for PSUs and for higher studies and many more, which is applicable for that particular examinations. Because some of the private companies also consider the gate marks. Based upon the gate marks they will give for you, they will give rank for you. Because for MNC companies there will be written test, and based upon the written test they will qualify for the second row. Like that only, if you get good rank in the gate exam, some of the companies will take basic as gate score. If you want that, if you want more in detail about that, please visit the website which have been provided in the description box. Okay, mainly these only. You can see again and again there will be 27 people, like that only, type of question patterns, MCQs, and like that they have been given. This is the best thing which I need to know. Here I will upload this screenshot for you. Okay, this will be enough for you. This is the main things, but I will upload this to you. Here they given 27 papers scored before that, while you are preparing for the GATE, or before applying for the GATE exam. These are the codes you need to mention and check properly. Okay, these are the main, I think main information has been gathered. I have been given the whole main information for you all. Please, if any information I have been missed, please comment me in the comment box. I'll try to upload it another video, because a single information is also useful for all the people. So I don't want to miss. But application fees was, they will be here. You can see whole application procedure and list of zones where the examination has been conducting. Here you can see all the list in detail. Okay, once see all the information process for clear area. For as per the category SC/ST, female candidates for paper 750. In this year you can also write 2 of papers. Like if you are from a branch of civil engineering, if you want to write environmental science paper, for each paper you can write both the papers. But for each paper you need to for each paper you need to pay 750. Like if you are writing 2 papers, it will be around like 1500, like that. You can see this is the main thing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this GATE examination, or if you want to say anything for me, please comment me in the comment box. I'll try to upload it in more video. Please, sorry, if you support me a lot, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you support me, I will upload more and more videos related to GATE exam. Please try to support and try to subscribe my channel. If you like this, please don't forget to like my video. Okay, thank you all for watching.